All right, Group B, we are on Multi-phon 2. All right, we're still on the oi words. And I just want to say I'm really impressed with some of the sentences you guys wrote. I had fun reading them. All right, and it says, let's read oi words. Oi says oi like in oil. All right, so let's start with the first part. It says, I can identify. Say each picture, write the word. Let me put this right here. So what is your first picture a picture of? A toilet. How would we spell toilet? Sound out. T. And then what comes next? Oi. Our multi-letter phonogram. Oi. O-I. O. L. E. E. T. Toilet is our first one. All right, let me get a little bit closer there for you. All right, after toilet, what's the next picture across from it a picture of? It's a little bottle with a skull on it. All right, and normally when there's something that has a skull on it, it stands for death, which means poisonous. All right, so what do you think it is? Oi, poison. So how do we write poison? What's the first P? Like think of a penguin. P. Oi. What's our oi word? O-I, oi. Oops. All right. S. On. Poison. O-N. P-O-I-S-O-N. Poison. Excellent job. And then moving down here, we have a picture of a pig. I should not say the word pig. Pig. P-I-G. I don't see any oi in there. But if you look closely, there's almost a little bubble. It's called a speech bubble, where you could write something in there. What do pigs say? They go oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink. All right, how about we write oink? Oi, as in what? O-I. N. K. Oink. O-I-N-K spells oink. All right, and our last one right here, it says oi as in oil, and what do we have right here? The same picture, which is a bottle of oil. And looking from at the picture, there's little olives, so it's probably olive oil. So we're gonna go ahead and write oil. Oil spells oil. So we have toilet, poison, oink, and oil. So we're gonna fill that up, press pause if you need to. Now on this next part right here, it says I can match each sentence with the picture. Let me grab my pen right here. And the first one says, let me zoom in right here actually for you guys, so you guys can see a little better. Right there. All right, so the first one says, don't forget to flush the toilet. Toilet. Which one is a picture of a toilet? Go ahead and draw a line to it. Excellent job. All right, the next one says, the pig says, oink, oink, oink. Which one is a picture of a pig saying oink, oink, oink? Perfect. And the last one says, that's a big bottle of poison. Yikes. Which one shows a big bottle of poison? Excellent job. Now moving on right here, it says, I can read and circle. Read 3 times and circle the oi words. I'm actually gonna zoom out because I don't want you guys to see all the words. I want you guys to find them for yourselves. So I'm gonna read it once with you, then you can color in, circle as you go. All right, you probably won't catch all the oi words the first time. If you do, kudos to you. But if you don't, that's okay, because you're gonna have to read it 3 more times. If you find them all the second time, when I'm done reading with you, go ahead and have your mom or your dad read it to you 1 more time so you can really hear those oi words. So when you return this paper on Friday, I want to see that all the stars were colored in, because I'm going to read with you twice. I want to have a parent read it with you at home. So make sure I see those stars colored in, because make sure you read at home. right, so let me say, I'm gonna say nice and slow so you can catch and circle those oi words. Have your pen or pencil at hand. Oink, the pig rolled around in moist soil. Oink, oink, oink. This is so fun. The soil feels so good on my joints. Oink, the pig says. In a squeaky voice, what is all that noise? Asked the other pigs on the farm. It was Oink, the pig. Soon all of the pigs joined in on the fun. I actually found another oi word that I missed. All right, so make sure you look carefully because there's quite a bit of oi words. So go ahead and color in the star. I'm gonna go ahead and read it to you one more time so you can go back and find those oi words. Ready? All right. Oink. Oh, so now actually I'm gonna go ahead and read it just normal. All right, and you can just circle them as fast as you can if you didn't catch any. But the next time around when you're with your parent, you can circle any ones that you may have missed the first 2 times. Oink the pig, Oink the pig rolled around in moist soil. Oink, oink, oink. This is fun. The soil feels so good on my joints. Oink the pig said in a squeaky voice. What's all that noise? Asked the other pigs on the farm. It was Oink the pig. Soon all of the pigs joined in on the fun. All right, so you can color in the second star there because we read it twice. Make sure you have your parent read you the next one so you can circle the next the last star. And then on the bottom it says I can write a story. Write a short story using some of the words below. All right, and from my story, or let me tell you the words first. We have soil, we have boing, we have moist, and we have toilet. So you can use some of those words or at least one of the words. I just used one this time around and I put, I will plant a seed in the soil. All right, so think of a sentence that has one of these words. Be as creative as possible. Ask your parent for help, but listen, I don't want you having your parent write it on a paper for you so you can copy. I want you to sound it out the best you can. If there's a big word in there that you don't know how to write, that's when you can ask your parent to help you sound it out with you. But don't have them write it for you, all right? I want to see your handwriting on here, and I want to make sure you're not just copying it from another paper. Do your best, beginners. Great job.